So now this next mop that we have is this one from JOYMOOP, all right? And so what it looks like we have here is that we have a clean water chamber here, and then we have a dirty water chamber over here. So there's only 2 chambers in this mop. We do have a handle which is included as well, and I do appreciate how the lid does feel secured on top, making sure I don't have any fear of it actually falling out while I'm actually carrying it. And for some reason it feels like this rolls on the ground a bit easier than the other one I've tried. But as far as the mop itself, we've got basically this mop over here, and what I like about this is that the attachment to it is only one side, so it's more so like Velcro strap that you see here, and with it it's a lot easier to put back on. So this is actually where the prongs fit into those pockets there, so let me show you what I mean. So if you rip this open, when putting this back on, you only have to place the slot pads on one side of the mop itself, making it a lot easier to put back on compared to other mops that I used. So once that's put back on, the Velcro's on, lay it flat. So we'll go and fill this up and then test this mop set out. So we'll fill this one all the way up, and then we'll add our mop detergent. And there we have it, okay. So now we have it filled up, so let's take this out. Again, the handle, I always like making sure that the handle doesn't fall. But just to be safe, I'll hold it with 2 hands. And then we'll bring this one down. And so now, you do have to make sure that this side of the mop goes up when you're putting it in. So now we have the mop inside. And so, I must say that this is a very easy way to put it inside the mop. And then we have the dry one over here. So it's a very smooth mop so far as getting your mop clean and dry. But now let's test it out. So far no problems with this mop. It's very, very easy to use. We have a flat head. One thing I will mention is that compared to other mops, the actual handles or the mop itself, it doesn't feel like it's going to bend or break. So it feels very, very sturdy. But now let's actually clean the mop, supposedly. So again, this side goes up. And then so what I noticed about this chamber, okay, is that we have 2 chambers. We have a dry chamber and then a wet chamber. Like I've said before, I feel like no mop is actually going to be completely clean versus dry after a single use of it, and that's what I kind of accepted. Right now the dirty mop is going to the clean chamber, and then I'm wringing it out into the dry chamber. But let's test this out again using over here. So it's able to go into small places. I think that's pretty much a good test for this mop overall. I think the error is in the instructions manual where it's telling me to fill this up with clean water. But had I actually filled this up with this side up with clean water and then this side would kept it empty, I think that would make more sense. But even look here, as you can see it says max. I think this side should be filled up with clean water. Even so, I think it's backwards. Again, it's an instruction manuals thing. But as you can see, that dirty water just basically goes back into there, which is really odd. Let me actually just really quickly, I'm gonna dump this all out and just test it for you guys one more time, filling this side up with clean water and then leaving this side empty. Okay, so even though there's a max line there, we're gonna fill this side up with the clean water and see if that works instead. And then we'll add our laundry detergent. Just a smidge. Okay, so now we have it so that the dry side has the clean water. And so if we place it in, I might have put too much water, guys, sorry. I see that's gonna happen now. Now if we do it that way, this mop is just gonna stay wet the whole time, it looks like. I mean, at this point, maybe you guys can comment how I'm actually supposed to use this mop, but I am reading the instructions, and to me, the way that it's saying it's supposed to be used is backwards. But even so, I was hoping that this would stay dry, but yeah, it kind of looks like, I guess, the clean water will stay here. And then after you use the clean water and dry it out, the dirty water is basically just going to be cycled back into the clean water mostly, most of it at least. But overall, I mean, I hope you guys found this helpful. Let's go ahead and move on to the next mod.